buying the wrong clamp meter can cost you more than just money, especially if it misses key features you actually need. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 best clamp meters of 2026, chosen based on build quality, accuracy, features, price, and overall value. Watch till the end before you decide which one to buy, because each model is better for a different type of user. You'll find the product links in the description below, and for more helpful gadget picks, subscribe to my channel. Number 5. Awning PN106 Clamp Meter Digital Multimeter. The Awning PN106 Clamp Meter is a compact and accurate digital multimeter designed for electricians, technicians, and DIY users. It measures AC/DC voltage up to 600 volt, current up to 600 ampere, along with resistance, capacitance, frequency, continuity, and diode testing, making it a versatile tool for everyday electrical work. The 4000 count digital display provides clear and reliable readings, while the clamp design allows safe current measurements without disconnecting wires. The PN106 is lightweight and comfortable to carry for both home and field use. Useful features like voice prompts, automatic power off after 15 minutes, audible continuity alerts, and diode testing improve convenience during troubleshooting. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it's simple to maintain and operate. Overall, the Awning PN106 clamp meter combines precision, practical features, and user-friendly operation, making it an excellent value for everyday electrical testing. Number 4. GVDA Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter. The GVDA Digital Clamp Meter Multimeter is a reliable and versatile electrical testing tool designed for professionals and DIY users alike. It features true RMS technology for accurate AC measurements and supports AC/DC voltage up to 600 volt, current up to 600 ampere, as well as resistance, capacitance, temperature, and continuity testing. The auto-ranging function makes measurements faster and easier, while the built-in NCV non-contact voltage detector helps identify live wires safely without direct contact. Its inrush current measurement is especially useful for testing motors and electrical equipment during startup. The clear digital display and ergonomic clamp design provide comfortable operation in both home and professional environments. Built with CE and FCC certification, it offers dependable performance and safety. Overall, the GVDA clamp meter delivers accurate readings, useful features, and excellent value, making it a dependable choice for everyday electrical testing. Number 3. Awning ST180 AC Current Clamp Meter. Awning ST180 AC Current Clamp Meter is a compact and easy-to-use digital clamp meter designed for electricians, automotive technicians, and DIY users. It measures AC current up to 400 ampere and voltage up to 600 volt, making it a reliable tool for electrical maintenance, troubleshooting, and everyday testing. With a 4000 count display, it provides clear readings, while additional functions such as resistance, capacitance, frequency, and NCV, non-contact voltage, detection make it suitable for a wide range of applications. One of its standout features is its lightweight 124-gram design, making it comfortable to carry and use for extended periods. The NCV function adds an extra layer of safety by allowing you to detect live voltage without direct contact. CE certification further ensures dependable performance and build quality. Overall, the Awning ST180 offers accurate measurements, practical features, and excellent portability, making it a great value for both professionals and home users. Number 2. Snackle SK203 Clamp Meter Multimeter. The Snackle Clamp Meter Multimeter is a versatile electrical testing tool designed for electricians, technicians, and DIY users. It measures AC/DC voltage up to 600 volt, current up to 600 ampere, resistance, capacitance, and continuity, making it suitable for a wide range of electrical troubleshooting tasks. The count digital display provides clear, accurate readings, while the built-in NCV, non-contact voltage, detection allows you to check for live wires quickly and safely without direct contact. Its clamp design makes current measurements easy without disconnecting wires, improving both convenience and safety during inspections. Compact and easy to handle, it's ideal for home repairs, automotive diagnostics and professional electrical work, certified to CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. It offers dependable performance for everyday use. Overall, the Snakel SK203 delivers accurate measurements, practical features, and excellent value, making it a reliable choice for electrical testing. Number 1. Unity UT210E Clamp Meter Multimeter. The Unity UT210E Clamp Meter is a reliable digital multimeter designed for electricians, technicians, and DIY users who need accurate electrical measurements. It can measure AC/DC voltage up to 600 volt, current up to 600 ampere, along with resistance, capacitance, and continuity, making it a versatile tool for troubleshooting electrical systems. The clamp design allows you to measure current safely without disconnecting wires, improving both convenience and safety. Its large digital display provides clear readings, while the compact 220-gram lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use in tight workspaces. Built with dependable performance and certified to CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, it is suitable for home, automotive, and professional electrical work. Overall, the Unity UT210E offers accurate measurements, practical features, and excellent value, making it a dependable clamp meter for everyday electrical testing.